Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Melinda Putri Rahmawati with name 226121229. Here I will explain about getting to know LLA material for to fulfill mid-semester assignment. The first is a procedure of evaluating, and the second is types of tests, and the third is step for preparing question item, and the fourth is rule for writing description question, and the fifth is definition of reliability. Procedure of evaluation. The first is develop a learning evaluation plan, and the second is determine evaluation techniques or method to collect data, and the third is verifying data, and the fourth is manage and analyze data, and the fifth is provide interpretation and draw conclusion, and the sixth follow up evaluation. Yang selanjutnya ada types of test. The first is aptitude test. Assess a person's ability to acquire new language skills in general. They are not a measure of intelligence, but rather a test of a person's natural abilities and propensity to success in given activity. And the second is proficiency test. The measure a person level of skill a language independent of how they learn it. This assess overall language proficiency and typically covers speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills. And the third is diagnostic test. Identify specific strength and weaknesses within a skill set. His tests help teachers and learners. And the fourth is placement tests. Placement tests are shared some similarities with diagnostic tests. They are used for educational purposes and are administered before a course or program of study begins. And the fifth, achievement test. This test measures a learner's progress over a period of time. In other words, an achievement test evaluates a student's language knowledge to show how their learning has progressed. The next is steps for preparing question items. The first is determine the purpose of the test. The second is determine the competencies to be tested. And the third is determine the material to be tested. And the fourth is determine the distribution of items based on competencies, material, and form of assessment. And the fifth, compile the lectures. And the sixth, write the item. And the seventh, validate the item or review the qualitatively. And the eighth, assemble the item into a test device, and the ninth, compile the scoring guidelines, and the 10th, test the items, and then analyze the item quantitatively from the empirical data of the test result, and the last is improve the item based on the analysis result. Rules of writing description question itu ada dua. Yang pertama ada material dan yang kedua ada construction. Yang pertama material. The first question must be in accordance with the indicators. The second, each question must be given a limit to the expected answer. And the third, the material must be in accordance with the purpose of the measurement. And the fourth, the material must be appropriate for the types of school or grade level. And then construction. The first, use question common word that demand an elaborate answer. And the second is there are clear instructions on how to do the question. And the third, each question must have scoring guidelines. And the fourth, tables, figures, graphs, maps are clearly present, legible, and functional. Okay, the next is definition of reliability. Reliability is extent to which the measurement of a test of measuring instrument remain consistent after being repeated on the subject. There are three types of reliability: retest reliability, internal consistency reliability, and parallel forms reliability. The first is test-retest reliability. Test-retest reliability is a measure of reliability obtained by administering the same test twice over a specific period of time. Scores from time 1 and time 2 can then be correlated to evaluate the stability of the test over time. And then the second is internal consistency. Internal consistency reliability is measures the correlation between multiple items in a test that are intended to measure the same construct. It is used to assess the consistency of result within a single test. And then parallel form reliability. Parallel form reliability is measure the consistency of result from different versions of a test that are designed to be equivalent. It is used to assess the consistency of result across different form of a test.